remember this together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give we free, none na sell. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks. Yeah man, bless and love, good morning, the 25th of February, all of my fans. Big up on yourself, families of my ones, you know what I mean? I hope this vlog find on in a good health, and with guidance and protection. Today I come for update on regarding the coronavirus. You know the coronavirus has hit China wickedly, a lot of people have died, you know what I mean, and it's spreading in different countries. I know the Chinese, they're all over the world. See, it is now confirmed in England the cases, and also Italy had a lockdown last week in Carnival. Them shut down the whole place. You know what I mean? And I tell the people, them say, yo, just be careful, especially in England, where I reside, you know. Just be careful and warn the kids, them be precautious, you know what I mean, and look out for any signs or symptoms. You see, a few schools wanted to close down, but the minister said stay calm and keep the schools open while they unleash new guidelines, you know what I mean. And yeah, so all the parents and everyone, you know what I mean, just be careful and be cautious. As I say, wash your hands regularly, cover your face if you have to, you know what I mean. Yeah, you see me? And you know, right now the coronavirus isn't confirmed in other different countries. I know the Chinese, they're all over the world. Big up the Chinese, see me, no discrimination towards them, you know, because we are all one. The only thing that differentiates us is the hair and the color of the skin, but we are all human beings, all one people, God people. Say, yeah man, my people, big up on yourself, a Lion Foot, you know. I say, yo, look out, if you come across this vlog, big up on yourself, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Yeah man, so the coronavirus, I kill off a whole heap of people, and it has spread, and it come like them can't find the treatment, sir, and it's getting worse and worse, you see me? Yeah, and it has spread in different countries too. You see me, I say, I'm a Jamaican people, I'm in Jamaica, and be careful. Yeah man, I know now I mean go around and mix, you know what I mean, and I'm doing this vlog just to update, you know, see me? And if you haven't yet, just please like, comment, subscribe and share the message. Yeah man, share the message, because the coronavirus star is wicked, it's wicked, you know what I mean? Know where you're going, know who you're associating yourself with, you know what I mean? Wash your hands regularly, drink a lot of water, and look out for any signs or symptoms. Yeah man, of sickness. I don't know a Lion Foot, you know. Until next time, you know, big up on yourself. Yeah man, and subscribe, click the bell for the next content. Peace and love every time. I don't know.